All right, let me tell you something real before we dive in. I've built websites the old way. I've used WordPress, paid for expensive builders, hired freelancers, tested AI tools that promised everything, and most of them failed for one simple reason. The website just sat there. It looked nice, but it didn't do anything. No traffic, no leads, no growth. And that's exactly why OmniSitesAI genuinely caught my attention. Here's the truth most people won't say out loud. In today's world, a website that doesn't learn, adapt, and market itself is basically an online brochure, and brochures don't make money. OmniSitesAI flips that entire model by creating what they call self-learning, self-marketing agentic websites. And this isn't just AI writing blog posts. This is AI that studies your business, understands your offer, and then builds a site that actually behaves like a digital team working 24/7.
When you start, you train the AI about your business or product. You can enter keywords, upload files, or even import an existing website. From there, OmniSitesAI builds a full WordPress site, either cloud-hosted or self-hosted, with real structure. Home pages, services, blogs, funnels, even e-commerce if you want. And the important part is that it's not generic filler content. Everything is created based on the custom knowledge the AI learned about your brand, your niche, and your goals. Once the site is live, this is where it gets interesting. You can activate self-marketing mode. That means the site starts creating long-form SEO-focused content automatically, doing keyword research, reverse engineering top-ranking articles, and publishing content designed to actually rank and attract buyers. It's not random AI slop. It's strategic content built around your business, your products, and your voice. And if you're someone who wants clients, this part is powerful. OmniSitesAI includes an AI lead finder that can scan niches and locations, find businesses with outdated or underperforming websites, analyze their problems, and generate custom audit reports. You can literally hand those reports to business owners and show them exactly why they're losing money, and then offer them a solution using OmniSitesAI. That alone can be a full agency or freelancing business. You also get drag-and-drop editing, thousands of templates, premium plugins added automatically for SEO, security, and speed, AI-generated images, funnel builders, and full commercial rights, meaning you can sell sites, sell services, rank and rent, or build affiliate sites without worrying about licenses. On top of that, there's training from a real seven-figure affiliate showing how to build profitable niche sites using this system. Not theory, actual step-by-step execution. So if you've ever felt stuck juggling tools, plugins, writers, and marketing platforms, or if your websites never seem to grow after launch, OmniSitesAI is built to solve that exact problem. It's not just about building a site anymore. It's about building a system that works for you, learns over time, and keeps pushing your business forward while you focus on what actually matters. All right, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.